Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to share with you a shortcut that was sent to me by a friend who actually found this on Reddit. Someone made this really great shortcut to help us manage battery a little bit better. So let me slide over here. I'm already in shortcuts, and if we go down here on the bottom, you'll see there's Battery Manager. So let me tap on the three buttons here, or three dots, and you'll see it says made by u/plastic script. So I'll link this in the description. You can check it out on their website. They're always updating it, but it's pretty extensive. And I'll go through what it does here in just a moment. But let's hit done. And if we slide over to our widgets page, this is the easiest way to actually manage it. So if we tap on Battery Manager, we have four different options. You'll see we have Activate, Deactivate, Fast Charge, and Ultra Low Power. And what they do are all a little bit different. So the first thing is Activate and Deactivate are pretty obvious. Now Activate actually enables low power mode, turns off Bluetooth, and sets brightness to 0 so you'll still have an internet connection. So we'll go ahead and hit Activate. Makes a little noise there, and it turns everything down and tries to save you a little more power. Now, of course, you can't see it unless you turn the brightness up a little bit, but it should save you a little bit more power throughout the day. If we tap on Deactivate, it resets everything and brings it back up to, well, full brightness, but let's change that back down. So we've got those two options. Now the next one is for charging. So maybe you need to charge on the go and you need to get your phone charged up quickly. Well, what this one will do is we'll enable it here. And it enables or disables a bunch of different settings to help improve charge time, and it does it for 30 minutes at a time. So if you need to use your phone, you'll see maybe here it's in airplane mode. So let me turn the brightness up. You'll see it's in low power airplane mode, and the idea is to help you charge your phone faster because it won't be using as much of the processor. So it may help you a little bit. It's hard to say exactly how much it will help, but after 30 minutes, it will prompt you if you want to continue doing that and for how long, and then you can just turn it back off. So again, we'll go home, go to the widget, and we'll just deactivate it. And now there's one more within this widget or shortcut that is ultra low power. Now maybe you're out and about and you have no place to charge and you need to get home to charge, and you'll see it keeps trying to set up cellular on my Apple Watch for some reason, even though I disabled that. But anyway, it's trying to, ultra low power will actually enable airplane mode, turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and it sets brightness to 0. And it's used in those situations where you just need to kind of get that little extra bit out of your phone until you can charge it. And I think it's a pretty interesting shortcut that you can use that may be useful for quite a few people, especially if you're in a pinch and you really need to get that extra bit of battery out of your phone. So that's really it for that shortcut. Now the other thing, that thing keeps popping in. Now the other thing is this wallpaper. I chose this one because you'll see a lot of it is black. So if you have an OLED display, if you've got black pixels, that means those pixels are turned off. So you're not using power there. So any of the black areas behind the icons, it's turned off. If I go back to the home screen here, you'll see the same thing. I've got all these notifications for some reason. I need to deal with that later, but you'll see it's all black. So you're using less power, and less power obviously means longer battery life. So that's pretty helpful on the 10, 10S, and 10S Max. So I'll link that in the description below as well. If you haven't subscribed already, though, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.